guys, this is Chandni Singh. I'm a hair and makeup artist based in Delhi in Lajpat Nagar 4. I have an experience of 14 years. I do party makeups, bridal makeups, and I run a makeup school as well. Today I'm going to show you this look which Malaika Arora was wearing very recently, and I'm going to show you step by step how to achieve. Remember, whenever you do makeup, make sure your skin is really well hydrated. If your skin is dry, your foundation application will be really patchy. And I'm going to start with Clinique Moisture Surge on my skin. I take this liberally on my skin because my skin is really dry. I always like to start with my eye makeup and my eyebrows first, so that in case there's any fallout, it does not ruin my makeup. For my eyebrows, today I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Dip Brow Pomade in shade Chocolate. I'm using a MAC angular brush and I'm just going to fill up my eyebrows. Her eyebrows are really defined in the picture. Next step, I'm going to prime my lids using a MAC concealer. I'm using the shade NC35 from MAC. I just take this on my fingertip. I just melt it between my fingers and I apply it all over my lid. Next step, just take any powder and just apply it all over the lids. Use a blending brush for the same. I use the L'Oreal Infallible powder in shade 245 Warm Sand. She's wearing a matte brown lid and she has a smoky black eyeliner. The matte brown lid is beautifully blended out into the crease. To make it really intense, I'm using a brown pencil. This one here in my hand is by L'Oreal. Blend out the brown pencil with a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm using one by MAC. You can also use your fingertips if you're comfortable. Next step, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette. I'm going to use this matte brown eyeshadow all over my lid to intensify it. MAC 217, MAC 224 are two of my favorite blending brushes. Next up, I'm using a Revlon Kajal pencil and I'm just going to draw a line along my lash line, and I use a pencil or a dome brush from MAC and I just smoke it out. Using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. I'm using the MAC Prep Plus Prime to hydrate my skin further. Next step, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream. This gives a beautiful, luminous, dewy finish to the skin. I'm now going to color correct and I'm using the LA Girl shade in orange. I apply it on my problem areas like my dark circles. I have pigmentation on the sides of my forehead, corners of my lips, and a little bit on my cheekbone as well. Use your fingertips to blend it out. Next step, I'm using the LA Girl HD foundation. I'm using the shade 645. I'm using a flat MAC foundation brush. Next step, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in shade Natural, and I'm just going to apply it on the high points of my face. Very little, no crazy amount of product. Next up, I'm going to bronze myself, and today I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder in shade NC47. Her bronzing is not very strong. At the same time, it does add depth and dimension to the face. I'm using a Pro Art brush in AF11. A beautiful nude blush. I'm using Peachy Keen by MAC. I'm using a Vega brush. Finishing the look off with a lipstick, I'm using the shade Meher from MAC. Ta-da! So there you go guys, I'm done. So there you go guys, beautiful minimal skin, matte brown smoky eyes with smoky eyeliner, lots of mascara, kajal and a beautiful nude lipstick to complete the look. This is Chandni Singh signing off now.